King 5000 here. Today I'm in my garden. I'm just doing just plane spotting basically. As you can see, I'm just gonna be a bit quiet. There's baby. He's gonna be in the shoe too. Oh, I'm a bit scared. Anyway, let's start the spotting. Sorry if the camera is. Sorry if it's quite sunny out here. I'll try and get a better view. It is honestly really, really sunny out here today. Like, there he is. Look at him go. I can see something. Sorry guys. And then there's a plane over there. Not sure you can see that, but I'm going to zoom in for you, so you can see it. So, right entering that car there. I'm just going to zoom in loads, as much as I can, so you can see it. It's like over by that cloud there. Sorry if you can't see anything, guys. There it goes. Up there too. And yeah, there's that plane. This is my garden tour, basically. This is my garden. It's got sunflowers, a little elephant statue. It's kind of small. And my cat baby over there. See that little white head there. That's it, so I'm just gonna... So is what, anything else? Like up there. It's really big on the screen every time. I'm just gonna sit down. Hey. So it's really zoomed. I'm so sorry if it's really zoomed in, guys. But it's up there. Just there. There's something coming really... And there's something coming in really fast over there. Something over there. Coming in at a high speed. So sorry if you cannot see. It's just it's a very sunny day. And I can't catch the things. There it is. Just... What is that? Oh, it's one of those normal things that we see every day. I was just wondering because it was coming in very, very fast. And I'm just going to stop doing that plane stuff. Oh, sun's going in. That's good. 360. Wow. Oh, look how cute that is. My cat. Oh, my cat. They're so cute. He's a cuddly cat. There's baby. There's a double crossover up here. Why? Da-na-na. Well, I am going to be hopefully I can do some game videos today. My dad said that he's lost the mouse of his computer. So I'm not sure I'll be able to make gaming videos today. Hopefully I can, guys, so sorry if the sun is here. Please like, subscribe, comment, watch more of my videos to give me more views. And I'll see you later in the next video, hopefully. Goodbye.